that's a little bush welding. What we had to do there was, this is the throttle lever for the Farmall H on the sawmill, and the little sector part there, I built it up with some hard surfacing rod, and then we'll put it back on there, and maybe we can adjust the throttle on the sawmill now instead of having it go either stopped or wide open. Anyway, nice rain. We needed it. Worried about fires out here. So we're out here working in the rain. April 16th or 17th or 18th, or does it really matter? Anyway, that's what we're up to here.